Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. Hey math stars, how are you today? Well, today we are starting a new module, module 16. So you need to make sure you have that book. Let's get started on lesson number 1. All right. It says, I can identify and describe circles. Now, in module 16, we're going to be going over a lot of shapes. And I think already you probably know those shapes, right? But we're going to learn some really big math words to describe those shapes, okay? So let's start with 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. Well, a couple modules ago, you learned about 3-dimensional shapes. 3-dimensional shapes means that they're solid. There's something to them. For example, I have a water bottle that is like it looks like a circle on the bottom, but it's a cylinder, right? Because it's 3-dimensional. I'm holding it, right? All right. But we're going to learn about 2-dimensional shapes this module. So do this with me. 2-dimensional, 2D, 2-dimensional means flat. Okay, so that's what we're working with this unit. So today we're going to learn how to describe a circle using math words. All right, so first of all, like I said, this is a 2-dimensional flat, and this is 3-dimensional. It is a ball, but what do we call that 3-dimensional shape? Do you remember? It's a sphere. Yes. All right. So here you are. You're on page 405. If you don't know what 405 looks like, it's 4, 0, 5, 405. All right. And here we go. Let's listen. Edmundo's photo has a 2-dimensional curved object. 2-dimensional curved object. Which one is his? Well, first of all, does this picture, let's eliminate, does this picture have any curved objects? No. So I think we can cross that one out safely. Let's see, these two pictures, do they both have a curved object? This is curved and this one's curved, but which one is 2-dimensional, which means flat? This is a ball, a sphere, so it's 3-dimensional. It's not flat. So that can't be it. This has a circle and it's a clock, and clocks have like a flat face, right? So here we go. It would be that one. All right. I want you to mark an X on all the objects that are shaped like a circle. Okay, now keep in mind, this ball is shaped like a circle, but is it a circle or is it a sphere? Right? So you can pause the video now while you find all of the shapes that look like a circle and put an X on them. Okay, now here you have this page in your book and it says color the flat shapes. Tell how you know these shapes are flat. Well, really, they're all on your paper and your paper's flat. But what they're saying is, does it represent? Do you see the little lines here? That represents shading of a ball, like a sphere. So those are not flat shapes. And these cylinders, they're like this. Is this flat? That would be very sad. It wouldn't hold much water if it was flat, right? So it's a cylinder and it is not flat either. That's a hint. I gave you 2 big hints. I told you which ones weren't flat. You can pause this while you color those. Okay, here you are supposed to trace the curve of the circle. I'm going to try to do that too with my mouse. I'm going to be honest, I have a hard time drawing. Drawing with my mouse on my computer, but I'm going to try. I'm going to do my best because we always do our best. That's okay. I'm doing my best. I bet yours looks a lot better than mine, huh? All right. We did that. Now, can you describe the shape to your homeschool teacher? Like, tell me about the lines. Tell your homeschool teacher about the lines of the shape of this circle. Do they have straight lines or curved lines? Does it have sides to the shape, or is it just one continuous curve? Describe it. Pause this while you go do that. All right. Find the 4. And let's see if you can put an X on all the shapes that have a curve. A curve means is it a straight line? Are the sides straight lines? No, there's no straight line. So you only are going to put an X on the shapes with a curve. So pause this and do that. All right, good job. Now, this is the on your own. There's 2 questions for the on your own. So I need you to go find your homeschool teacher and ask them to read the questions to you, and then you answer it. Remember, this is your time to show what you know. So you don't want to get their help to get the answers. Okay. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.